If you want to add background music to your streams, there is an easy way to do this in both Streamlabs and OBS software. All you need is to add a new source, select VLC source, and then you'll be presented with a window where you would have a few options. You could loop or shuffle playlist, select the behavior you want, and then add files or folders. After adding, the music immediately starts playing on the background. And what's even better is that it will only play for your viewers, not for you. So you could be playing competitive games like CSGO for example, and perfectly hear all the sounds and comms without distracting music. I already have it here, so as you can see, you can mute the music or adjust the volume, which is very useful of course. The same story works in OBS on macOS as well, although there is called VLC video source, but it will play audio files without any problems whatsoever, and the process is pretty much the same as in Windows. One thing I've noticed in Mac OBS is that there is also an option for adding URL, but unfortunately didn't really work for me. And even though I could clearly see that the app was gathering some data from the servers, it didn't really do anything with it. I'm not sure if that's a Mac's version problem or is it the same on Windows as well, but just for reliability alone, I would suggest you stream music that is on your local storage. Just a quick point to make about background music. You could get a claim pretty easily and portions of your audio will be muted. I think it happened to me during the pause when I was away from the computer for a few minutes, so there was not a lot of game sounds or people commenting, but I've certainly seen even big streamers get portions of their audio muted afterwards. Just keep this in mind, even free podcasts like ABGT could get you in a bit of trouble, so try to choose your background music wisely if you care about exporting and saving finished videos. And just a last note on streaming on macOS in general, I would definitely argue against this, because not only you cannot utilize GPU acceleration properly, but also you'll have a problem even picking up desktop sounds, since for some reason OBS on macOS only works with Soundflower utility, which was far from reliable, at least for me personally. So I would say try to avoid streaming on macOS. It is really mediocre experience at best compared to Windows. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please share it and leave a like. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Take care.